matters the most. And therefore, in the stylish ambience, I, Kriti Verma, welcome you all to the most stylish ambience group zone at Hindustan Times, India's Most Stylish Awards 2023. This is the moment we all have been waiting for. Chalta Firta Style Icon, ma'am. Sushmita Sen, ma'am, is here with us. Ma'am, welcome you to the ambience group zone, ma'am.
You're such a Jan Kirti. Thank you so much. Style is a personal statement. It's not seasonal, it's not regional, it is but a lifetime.
Ma'am, in-room dining or on a buffet?
In-room dining.
Trendy or comfort?
No, comfort. Any day as you can see, comfort. मैंने एक कमाल की चीज़ देखी है. If you are comfortable, you look amazing. You feel amazing, and every time you walk out, you feel the confidence that style should bring. So if you're not comfortable, don't wear it.